welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Language Learning. As you know, this is Sebedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be continuing with our number naming from 61 up to 80. As you have seen my previous videos, we will name numbers from 1 up to 60. So today we're going to be starting off. So today we're going to be naming from 61 up to 80. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have 61. So 61 is called Masumetela T E. 61 is called Masumetela T E. 62. 62 is called Masumetela Pedi. 62 is called Masumetela Pedi. 63. 63 is called Masumetela Taro. 63 is called Masumetela Taro. 64 is called Masumetela Nne. 64 is called Masumetela Nne. 65. 65 is called Masumetela Tlhano. 65 is called Masumetela Tlhano. 66. 66 is called Masumetela Tshela. 66. 66 is called Masumetela Tshela. 67. 67 is called Masumetela Shupa. 67 is called Masumetela Shupa. 68. 68 is called Masumetela Seswai. 68 is called Masumetela Seswai. 68 is called Masumetela Seswai. 69. 69 is called Masumetela Senyane. 69 is called Masumetela Senyane. 70. 70 is called Masume Shupa. 70 is called Masume Shupa. 71. 71 is called Masume Shupa Tee. 71 is called Masume Shupa Tee. 72. 72 is called Masume Shupa Pedi. 72 is called Masume Shupa Pedi. 73. 73 is called Masume Shupa Tharo. 73 is called Masume Shupa Tharo. 74. 74 is called Masume Shupa Nne. 74 is called Masume Shupa Nne. 75. 75 is called Masume Shupa Tlhano. 75 is called Masume Shupa Tlhano. 76. 76 is called Masume Shupa Tshela. 76 is called Masume Shupa Tshela. 77. 77 is called Masume Shupa Shupa. 77 is called Masume Shupa Shupa. 78. 78 is called Masume Shupa Seswai. 78 is called Masume Shupa Seswai. 79. 79 is called Masume Shupa Senyane. 79 is called Masume Shupa Senyane. 80, our last number. 80 is called Masume Seswai. 80 is called Masume Seswai. So that's it for our today's